I'm standing in Stanley Green Park. It's where this community gathers to enjoy the skate park, splash pad, playground, basketball courts, tennis courts, and an outdoor gym. The reason why we're starting here is because it's a 60-second walk from 60 William Duncan, today's home tour. As I walk over, let me tell you a little bit more about the area. The townhouse is steps from Downsview Park, a 291-acre park with plenty of outdoor activities and a 485,000 square foot organized sports complex, including basketball, indoor and outdoor soccer, hockey, volleyball, and rock climbing. It's also located near Downsview Park GO Station, Shepherd West Subway Station, and Highways 401, 400, and Allen Road, making it an excellent location for commuting. We just entered 60 William Duncan. It's 2686 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms plus an additional one in the basement and 6 bathrooms. Where you come in, there's a foyer, your coat closet, a good-sized living room, and right beside it is the powder room. At the back of the house is the kitchen and the dining area. The kitchen has quartz countertops and all stainless steel appliances. And I love how this area flows right into the backyard, and behind it is the laneway garage for 2 cars. Now before we head to the second floor, I just want to point out that this entire level has laminate flooring, 9-foot smooth ceilings, and plenty of pot lights. Okay, let's head upstairs. This floor has 2 great sized rooms, each one with its own walk-in closet. They share this 4-piece bathroom, and they're each big enough to fit a desk. And this one at the front even has its own balcony. The entire 3rd floor is the primary retreat. It has laminate flooring right through, a balcony off of the front, over here are 2 closets, and come check this out. It's a huge ensuite bathroom with a soaker tub, double vanity, and this huge glass shower. And on the 4th floor, there's also 2 bedrooms. This one is at the back with its own balcony. It's right beside this 4-piece bathroom. And at the front of the house, there's this large bedroom with a 4-piece bathroom. We're down in the basement. It has this bedroom at the front with a window and this closet over here. And right beside it is this 4-piece bathroom. And in the back of the basement is this additional living space right beside the laundry room. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour, and we're so excited to see you on the next one.